Judges, talk to me about Shandon's performance here tonight. Miss Kitty, when?
So I have a lot of things to say in this segment right now. And let me just address something. I said something last week. What they instructed me said last week.
Yes.
Okay? And you must ask before you get involved in activities.
Thank you.
But let me just say to you, Yanique, that I get to, and I want to just clear the air now.
Yes.
Because I'm a real woman, I'm a real top gal road, so I deal with things directly. So some things have been said, and I just want to clear them up. You and I have no beef whatsoever.
I know that.
The manufactured beef is disingenuous, it is duplicitous, it doesn't exist. The manufactured food that we have,
I understand
it
that,
doesn't
but it's been
exist
happening
at
for
all.
a while.
So
And
what I
that's
say
my
to you
my
is
thing, though.
that I am
I
all
believe
about
that we're
promoting
both-
women
No.
and empowering
Therefore,
women.
that's the
So
thing.
just to say,
Let me let you talk.
to Jamaica, I'm going to get out Shandon come and strike and pass.
All
So
right.
we have strike and pass, just to let everybody know. I'm about empowering women. My career has been built on that. And so let us do accomplishment. But I love your song, Shandon. I'm going to like that. So in Jesus' name, let our accomplishments judge us. Only thing I want beef with, I'm a backbook. Want beef on backbook, beef up the
thank you.
technique, and beef up the education, and beef up myself to impress some more woman, inspire some more woman. Bust the blood, come Good, thank you.
All right. Can I talk now? Can I talk now? Here's the situation. Here's the situation. Hold on, hold on. I hear you. I'm not stopping the show. But we never have no beef. That's the point. We didn't. But my thing is, instead of coming on air, how about the dressing room? My dressing room is next to you. And it's been a while. So therefore you're doing it for the public. We do. Kitty, Meanis, Yanique, if you have an issue and you want to address that, you can come to my dressing room and say that. All right. Let's continue. Adrian. It's not a show, it's not for the public. You know my dressing room there. Address me. Adrian, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Adrian.
On that note, let me make it quick. Big up all women, big up my mother at home.